Hello and welcome to Interactive Canon Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you how you sketch around 2D images in SolidWorks. The best idea I had to show you this was the Android logo. So just to get started, I'm going to go up to Sketch. I'm going to draw a sketch on the front plane, and I'm going to go to Tools and go down to Sketch Tools, and then I'm going to go to Sketch Picture. So now it's just popped up on my other screen. I'm going to select the Android picture when it loads. So now it's loaded in a sketch picture for me to trace around. So you can scale it, rotate it, change the size of it. So now the best way I find is to tick that and actually draw a line to give you an idea of scale. So this little Android logo, if I just put a dim on that, is nearly 500mm. So that gives you an idea of size, but you can double click it and scale it up and down to the required size that you need. So after that, it's kind of nice and easy. All you have to do is sketch round the 2D image and then extrude it to make it a 3D image. So I'll just quickly whiz through this just to show you how I do it. So now I've sketched around half of the Android logo, just freehand using arcs, straight lines, and slots. So using the slot tool to do the arms and so on, and the ear. And so from there, I'm going to just select everything, keep my finger on control, not select the center line. I'm going to mirror entities and mirror about the center line. Tick that. So it's not a perfectly symmetrical picture. So if I exit that and go features, extrude, and select the sketch contours, I don't want to select sketch contours because I want to use the entire sketch, make it 50mm thick, and tick that. There's the Android logo, and then if you go to colors and appearance, call it appearance colors, you want a color, so let's go to solid colors, let's make it green, so the whole part. So that's just a little tutorial on how to use 2D images to create 3D models. I hope you found this little tutorial helpful. If you have, please subscribe to my channel and give us a like. Thanks for watching.